super heavy duty upgrade. I got a 100-foot extension cord for my 220 volt. I'm thinking of hanging it right here, but I need to take a 1-foot section of pipe, cut it in half. Stay tuned. So I got a 5-inch piece of this 10 3/4 inch. I'm gonna cut it in half and then use it for hose reels. Okay, we got this 10-inch pipe cut in half. Now we're going to clean up the edges so nobody cuts themselves. We'll get all the rust removed, round out the corners, and then we'll get it fitted up on the truck rack. This is going to be the best scenario for wrapping up the extension cords and the welder leads. So we're going to take this gusset here and put it on the bottom center of this half pipe. I'd like to have a bigger gusset, but for the sake of time, that'll do. Now we can't forget to put the fire blanket on the glass before we do any welding. Got a light set up, fire blanket. I put this piece on to hold the extra cord on. You will see in just a minute. This is going to go approximately right there. Level it out some. We're going to drop to one side. There we go. And I'll tack the bottom while it's level. That's good. But I think it's going to stay there forever. I could take a spray can to all of this steel so it doesn't rust out, but instead of covering off the whole truck, I'm just going to go with a Sherwin-Williams Pro Industrial DTM and just use a roller. Just put a couple coats of black on there. Or I should say the truest black is tricorn black. And it's absolutely amazing. It worked out just how I wanted it to. Now my 100-foot cord for 220 volt is up out of the way. It turned out absolutely amazing, and I did one on the other side for my regular extension cords. Now you might be asking, why didn't I just do a hook like most people do? The problem with square hooks like this or this is that the weight is unevenly distributed. You may have seen round but skinny hooks like this, which only puts the pressure point on one very small spot.